Welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 23rd of December 2020 and currently time is 10:18 AM. So coming on to our today's traders, we have taken a trade in Bajaj Finance and you can see here our trade is going on. So traders, this is the trade and I have taken for the buying side with two quantities. Okay traders, because the maximum risk which we take for our trade is 100 rupees. So by maintaining this, and we are targeting till here, so it's not easy to get this 7.55 risk reward. So what we will do, we will keep trailing if our stop loss doesn't get hits. So let's see. We are waiting for this stock to show some momentum towards our target. So okay traders, we are now waiting. This is our stop loss traders, which is of 24 points, and let's see now what happens. So traders, now I am pausing the video, and when it will show some momentum I will update you. So traders, here you can see that it seems that the price is getting some resistance over here at this price near. So what I am thinking, that I should trail my stop loss to a cost price so that we don't get any kind of loss. Okay traders, so I am trailing my stop loss to our cost price and we have sent our order. Okay, so our order has been placed, that is of stop loss. So if price reverses from this resistance, we will exit with our zero profit or zero loss. Okay traders, so this was the update, and now I will update you when our stock shows some momentum. So traders, I am trailing my stop loss to this swing low and I am placing my order. So I'm waiting for it to get triggered. Why? Because here I will get risk reward of 1:2, and that is good for me because I don't want to be greedy here, that if it reverses I will not be booking any profit. Traders, here you can see that our trail stop loss has been now triggered. Okay traders, so what it happened, what we was expecting, and we have here got a risk reward ratio of 2.19 and we are happy with that only. Okay traders, I just trailed it to here traders because I have to do some work and I can't wait more or to see the chart. Okay traders, so now let's calculate our profit in this trade. Okay traders, so our quantities is worth 2 and the points which we had booked is 53.60. So 53.60. So traders, our today's total profit is 107 rupees and we have got a good risk reward ratio as well. So traders, this was our today's trade. Now let me explain you the setup or the logic why I took the trade. So coming on to 15-minute time frame. Now let me come to 1 hour. It will be more visible, clearly visible. Okay trader, so simple. Yesterday what I did, when I was analyzing the charts of the stocks, I seen that our triangle kind of pattern was forming here. Okay traders, so what happened in the morning, I was using 1 minute chart. Okay traders, and what happened, the price gave the breakout of this pattern. So I waited for a pullback, and here when a pullback came, I entered into the trade with a stop loss of this swing low, and we entered the trade with the target which was the next resistance in 1 hour time frame, but we exited the trade because I was in a hurry. So this was the today's trade. So traders, I hope you got the point. If you didn't got it, you can ask me in the comment section traders, If you have any kind of doubt, I will explain you in detail. So trader, this was our today's trade. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.